welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with the July 2020 BoxyCharm. Yes, and excuse my nail, y'all, I'm testing out some stuff with the nails, so just excuse it. But yes, this is for July 2020, the BoxyCharm. So for you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, this one is a $25 monthly subscription. They have makeup, skincare, polish, all kind of beauty related items in this particular box. They also have a Boxy Luxe. They also have a Boxy Premium. Those are different prices, but I am today doing the basic BoxyCharm box, which is $25 a month. So yeah, I will have the link down below if you're interested in subscribing to get a box. That will be down below for you. So when you first open the box, it says BoxyCharm on it, and it has the hashtag and the Instagram name up at the top. These are the products. It does come with a card. Sometimes I don't get a card, but I did get a card this month, so that's good. So let's just see what goodies we have in this box. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the 111 Skin. This is a pollution defense booster, a daytime booster to exfoliate your skin against the harmful aggressors of a digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of antioxidant and other things. This is $135. Dang. I'm gonna have to look that up and see for sure, because sometimes I think they kind of amp the prices up, but if this costs $135, that's crazy. So this is the product right here. This thing is so little for $135. Oh my lord. It's 20 milliliters. Let me just open it and see, because I am going to keep this because y'all know I love my skin products. So this is how it looks, like this. I'm very interested in trying this. I've never gotten a product that does something about pollution and everything like that have to do with a facial product. So I'm very interested to try this. It doesn't have a smell. It's just kind of clear. It looks like a thick, oily consistency. So I'm intrigued to try that. And I might do a video just so you all can see like about the product in more depth. So again, this was $135, and this is how it looks. I will be keeping that. The next thing that we have is this pencil right here. This is a Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. It's $28. This is a brow pencil designed to impact the thinness and thickness hair-like strokes for microblade worthy. And so this is for your eyebrow, like your eyebrows. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I guess you can use this to shape your eyebrows. Mine are already like pretty thick, so I don't need no pencil, but you know, no shade to y'all that do, because y'all be hooking them up. But this is how it looks, and it just has this little tip right here. So I will be putting that in a giveaway, so it's gonna go right there. And that again was $28. The next thing I have is this palette right here. This is the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. It has 12 colors in there, pigmented colors, Coats Lens and Dreamy. It's $36 for this, full loaded with striking light reflective formula. Oh, their cruelty-free pigments come complete with a matte and a transition shade. This is how the package looks. Very colorful and really pretty. These are all the colors that the package consists of, if you can see that. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see it. Even though I'm not keeping it, I don't want to rip the box, but I can't get it open. Okay, so when you first open it, it looks like this, just holographic type of situation going on. Pretty neat. So you open it up. See, I was watching somebody else's unboxing, and I don't want to get her name. I think her name is Shirley Ann. I'm so sorry if that's not her name, but I think her name is Shirley Ann. And I just was watching her unboxing, and the same color broke in her palette as well. So as you can see, the same color broke in my palette. And after I watched her, I'm like, I wonder if mine's broke too. So it comes with this black color right here, but mine is actually broke. I have not used this or opened it. I was going to give this away, so I'm still going to give it away because I'm not going to use it. And there are other colors in here. I'm just going to have to let you all know that this one did come broke. So if you don't want it or whatever, but it did come broke. So this is how it looks. These are the other colors. There are some nice colors in there, I guess. It's okay. I wish that wouldn't have been broke because that kind of sucks. We don't want our products broken when we receive them. But that is the palette. It's some cool colors in there, but that was that. And I'm just closing it back, you all. Okay, and that palette again was $36. The next thing I have right here is this Grace and Stella anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask. Okay, this is $21. This is interesting. We got a couple of skin products. I'm excited about that. This is suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around the eyes. Your girl is. You see that? All up and through the eyes. Because I don't be getting no sleep. It says, perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Okay, it's $21. It's right here. I can't wait to try these. I'm going to do a review on these too. The last thing we have in this month's box is a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. It was $21. This is a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeline that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or a thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. So I'm not going to open this. I'm actually going to give this away, but this is how it looks. So those are all the things that came in the June 2020 box, and for the most part the products were okay. I really only have these two that I'm keeping, which were the skin items. But I like these boxes because I can use these products as giveaways to give back to all my Kiwis and my Key dogs when I do have Key dogs. So that is why I keep getting these boxes, and it's not too bad to get skin products, especially if they're going to cost $135. I don't want to spend it at the store. I just do not on one product that is like 20 milliliters. But yeah, so that's all the things that I have in this month's box. So I am going to do a giveaway. Y'all, I do these giveaways because I appreciate y'all, because y'all can watch anybody, but for y'all to sit down and watch me talk and talk and talk and talk and talk about stuff that I buy all the time, y'all are the real MVPs, and I love y'all for that, you know. And I welcome all my new subscribers. I get new subscribers every day, and hey y'all, hey girl, hey boy, I love y'all. And all my old oldies, all my old Kiwis and Key dogs, what's up y'all? Hey, 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 welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to show you the things that I'm going to be giving away. There are going to be 3 different giveaways because y'all know I have hair products too. And we're not even going to talk about my hair. That's what we're not going to do, okay? I've been saying this in like a lot of videos. And I know y'all been looking for these reviews. And your girl is coming. I'm washing my hair today. Like, I'm serious. I'm washing my hair as soon as I get done with this video. So let me show you the first set of items that I will be giving away. It'll be hair products. I tried these and they did not work well for my hair, but I just feel like I don't want to just have products sitting around that I can't use. Why not give them to one of you? So these products I did not like touch or dig in, but they are used. So if you want them, that's fine. If not, I understand. But this is the shampoo. This is the Shea Butter. No. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. So I have this. I only used a little, but I did not like it. So I'm really giving this away. Then I have the conditioner as well, which I use quite a little bit, but it's so much product in these containers. All I did was pump, and I wiped them down and sanitized them. So I'm giving away this conditioner. And I'm also giving away this spray. Y'all, I was starting to love the leave-in sprays, but this set me back. So this is just the leave-in spray. They did not work well on my hair. My hair was really soft, but what I had to do to get that softness and how it made my hair feel while I was processing everything. I did not like it at all. But the deep conditioner from this line is bad. It's bad. So I'm giving those 3 products away. Also with this brush that's wrapped up. This is a black and silver square paddle brush. Also with this jumbo rake comb right here. I'm also going to be putting with this one. This is the Madrid Hydration. This is an eye cream, an ultimate moisturizer for your eyes. Y'all had this for so long and I'm like, I'm gonna use it, and I didn't use it. I just put some lotion on my face and keep it moving. So for y'all who like, I know Jackie Naturals loves her eye products. So for y'all who like this kind of stuff, you will enjoy it. Then I have this Watermelon Glow sleeping mask. I never use this stuff, so you know, it's just sitting around. And then I have the instructions right here to show you how to use it. It smells good, but I never use it. So that will be the hair box. So you know, down below just put box 1 hair box. The second box is going to be this stuff right here. So I'm just going to go through it really fast because y'all seen the unboxings. I have some brushes, some colorful brushes. I have this, what I just showed you all. This is like the arch your eyebrows or whatever. I have this little highlighter. I have this Appeal Cosmetics highlighter drops. So 2 highlighter drops. Some lashes. I have this that I just showed you, the palette. That has 1 color that's broken. This pencil. And then this BB cream. This is SPF 30. So that's going to be something I'm going to be giving away, this entire box. So you can just put makeup box 2. So put makeup box 2 because that's the second box I'm giving away. The third box is going to be this box right here. And what's in here is this, the Pore Professionals. Then we have this shade stick. We have this little color in here, Bake Blush. We have this triple mascara. We have these gel paint electric pink. So I guess it's for your eyes. And then we have this beautiful palette that I said I was gonna keep, but I'm just gonna give it away because what's the sense of keeping it, y'all? This palette right here, I love this palette. It's so cute. The packaging, everything was so cute. I'm gonna give this away. And the last thing in this one is just this little pencil right here. So that's everything for the third. So just put 1 hair, 2 makeup, 3 makeup. That's all you gotta put. And y'all already know the rules are simple. All you gotta do is be a key bee or key dog. Like, why are you not yet? Okay, I'm just saying, we'll talk about that later. But yes, the second thing is I want you all to go over there and follow me on Instagram at Musics44. But I want you to follow my business Instagram too, because it gotta get some love too. It's Press Nails and Beauty. I will put it down below. And while y'all over there following, go ahead and shop. Oh, okay, I'm just saying. Then the third thing is, let me see what the third thing could be, because I'm trying to make up something, y'all, because I don't ever do a third one for real. So the third one is, if y'all can go to my business page and just put one of my pictures in y'all stories. That's all y'all gotta do. So y'all have to be a key bee or key dog. 1, go on over there to my Instagrams, both of my Instagrams, and follow your girl. And if half of y'all already follow me, so the third thing is, go to my business page, my business Instagram, and you know, screenshot one of my little pictures, one of my little products, and just put them in y'all story. I really would appreciate that. But that's all I have, y'all. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out here. Oh yeah, I did these. Cute. Okay. Peace.